We're having quite a snowstorm. Supposed to have 4 feet by tomorrow morning. Right now, Grace says we have a tow. Well, it's still early in the evening, so it might take a little. What do you think?
What do you think?
Well, just keep it coming.
Yeah, did you look at outside?
There's going to be lots and lots of snow.
Well, look at outside here. You can't see down to the road.
No. Wow. Snowing up the street and down the street.
But it's not selling on the street yet. It's still too warm for the street.
Flags flying.
Okay.
Can't see if there's any traffic.
And this is the 22nd of April.
Yeah. So soon be May.